Good morning everybody and welcome back to another Tasty Tuesday. Today we are going to make a fire truck snack to go along with our fire safety theme. For this snack you are going to need some graham crackers, some mini Oreo cookies, some strawberries, and some cream cheese. The first step that we want to do is to take our strawberries and cut them in half. Let me show you. So first we want to start by cutting the top off that has the green part. Then we're going to cut it in half. We're going to flip it over so that this now round flat part is on the bottom. And we're going to cut it in half. And then that way you end up with two slices. So we're going to do that for about 5 to 6 different strawberries. For the next part, you're going to need 1 whole rectangle of your graham cracker, your cream cheese, and either a table knife or a small rubber spatula to smooth the cream cheese onto your graham cracker. Once your graham cracker is covered in cream cheese, you're going to want to take your second graham cracker and split it in half. And then we're going to split it in half again so you end up with a smaller rectangle. Now we're going to put this rectangle at the top, just like that. Next, we're going to use our sliced strawberries and add them on top of the cream cheese. It's okay if you have strawberries left over. They always make a good snack. Your very last step, friends, is to take 3 of your mini Oreo cookies, put a tiny little bit of cream cheese on one side, and add it to your fire truck. And there you go. You have a cool, healthy fire truck snack. Now to try it. Thank you everyone for joining me today for Tasty Tuesday. Join me next week as we delve into the world of apples. Bye!